Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got another supply order in, and so I had to pop in here and share with you guys what came in my box. And thank you, Mary, for telling me that you enjoy watching these unboxing videos, because sometimes I just wonder if I'm talking to myself. So I am just taking my Stampin' Up! Snips here, and very carefully, because these are super, super sharp, I am very carefully opening this box, and I tend to kind of lift up on the lid so that if there's paper underneath it, I don't pierce it or cut it. And let's, oh my goodness, look at this. It's like Christmas, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Dana told me about this stamp and the die that goes with it. Yes, Irresistible Blooms. Oh my word, you guys, this is the reason why I bought this, and it's 10% off right now additionally, because it's normally 10% off when you buy them together, but Stampin' Up! Has these on sale right now, and they're an additional 10% off. So it's like you're getting the demonstrator discount this month, you guys. So if there are stamps and dies that you want, please take advantage of this sale. You do not want to miss out on it. But look at this amazing die that comes with this collection. And these are rubber stamps, the clings, and so they're very easy to put together. I have a video showing how I do them. I've gotten a lot of great tips and tricks from other people on these. So seriously, they're beautiful. But this die set is worth the money right here because of these two pieces alone. So I am so glad that I grabbed that. And that is the Irresistible Blooms. I will put a link for this directly down in the comments below. And then this one, oh my word, if you have been in the Crafting with Holly Facebook group, I have been sharing a lot of beautiful, beautiful ideas with this set. And oh, I finally got it. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see this die. And again, it's 10% off additionally when you buy it together. Look at how gorgeous this die is. All of them, truly. You get to layer them. But look at this. This is another cling stamp because of the beautiful detail on these. Are they magnolias? I think they are. I could be wrong. Help me. I forget what flower. Oh yeah, it is a magnolia. Hello, that's the name of the stamp set, Holly. See, I'm so excited. I can't even think straight. But oh my goodness, wait till you see. I'm gonna make some beautiful cards with this. And I'm gonna use this for a scrapbooking layout too. So, oh, I can't wait. And then I got this beautiful embossing folder. Look at that. It looks like textured paint. So I can't wait to use this one. Again, I've seen some just incredible ideas with this, and it is just the coolest design. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. This is going to be a lot of fun to use. Okay. And then these are the kits collections. Have you guys seen the kits? Oh my goodness. There is this entire group of product on the Stampin' Up! Website called Kits, and this is the brand new one. This is called the Scenic Route Travel Journal Kit. I cannot wait to put this one together. I'll make sure that I do a video just for that one alone. But that one is going to be so fun to commemorate my trip with my daughter last October. And then this one is the Expressions of Kindness, and I believe this one is also brand new. So let me just carefully unbox it. I really want to invite you all to grab a kit, and we could just make it one night online. Oh, look at how fabulous this is. So this comes with a beautiful stamp set. You get some ribbon, you get a Blackberry Bliss spot, you get some embellishments, you get a beautiful a block for it, you get these beautiful embellishments, and then look at how gorgeous these cards are. I'm sorry about all the glaring on here. These are stunning. Oh, I can't wait to make those. Okay, so I'm going to put that all back in there. And then let me grab this other one. What is this one? Oh, Light the Candles. Oh my gosh, and I think this one was out. I think they ran out of this one, because it has been so popular. This one is super, super fun. And let me just try and get the packaging off of that. I'm sure there was an easier way to do that. Oh, wow, this one does come with an ink spot too. You get a fabulous stamp set. Happy birthday, hip hip hooray. Another block and some gems. And look at these cards. Look at how beautiful those are. This is going to be so fun to make. You guys, these are so affordable too. You're going to make 9 cards in here. Everything that you need is in here to make this. Literally everything. I think you just need to add, no, they even have dimensionals in here, and I think there's also adhesive in here too. So really, and you got a block. You just need a pair of scissors. Wow, that is fun. Okay. And then I had to get some more of the Country Wood Designer Series paper. I told you guys this is a must-have paper pack to get, and it sold out twice already. You got to get it. And then these are the Full of Life Designer Series papers, the 6x6. Look at how beautiful those are. So I bought the stamp set and I bought the die, and I forgot to add the paper. So the paper is now here, and I got 2 of them because I knew that I was going to be using these a lot for scrapbooking pages, school years, because I think these colors are just so perfect and they scream her. And the whole thing about friends, and just loved it. So that is what these Designer Series papers are. And then of course I had to get the coordinating cardstock in the Regals, and then they were out of the brights in 12 by 12 at the time, so I got the 8.5 by 11 of those, and that rounds up my order. And I don't want to forget to have you go onto my website, holly.stampinup.net. When you click on Shop Now, you can click on the link after it loads. Takes a couple seconds. Come on, come on, come on. Go, oh, well, and of course it thinks that I'm, well, I thought I did an incognito window. Let's go back to, let me see if I can do incognito. Yes, there we go. Okay, let's go back over here and see if this incognito window will work. Okay, well, let's see. Yes, I hope this works now. Yes, we're going to accept all the cookies. Shop with me. There we go. No, we don't need to add it to our search. Okay, so if you click on those 3 little lines up here, go to Shop Products, you can not only click and see all of the Close to My Heart products that are still available, and there's quite a bit from Lake Life. You're not going to want to miss out on that Palooza event. Yeah, even my card workshop is still available, and there's still some things for Enjoy the Ride that are still available as well, including that card making Stampin' Think Cut that I use to make those beautiful bonus cards with. But if you go over here, Shop Products, and go to the Bundled Savings and click on Stampin' Die Bundles, you will see what is left available during this sale. And so I wanted to highlight those 2 that I just got in and where they are located. Might be on the next page. Let me keep, oh, you know, Seaside Wishes is still available. It came back, just to let you know. That is a beautiful set. And let's see, where is it? I think that's the same page. There it is. Low inventory on the Magnolia Mood Bundle, you guys. So if you wanted that and you want to save, look at it. It's $48.75 right now. That is a great price. And here it is. This is the Irresistible Blooms that I just got, you guys. And again, that one is $48 as well, on sale. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope this was fun unboxing another supply order from Stampin' Up. And don't forget to click that like and subscribe, and you'll get notifications when I share my next video. Have a great day, everyone.